Hey everyone, it's Jonathan from Motorpsychology. Welcome to the show or the channel. For the new viewers, welcome, and also for the returning viewers, welcome back, and thanks so much for your continual support. It's noticed and appreciated, so thanks again very much. So in today's video, I'm not really too sure what I'm getting into. I'm going to be trying to fix the horn on this blue C3 Corvette. So pretty much everything on this Corvette works really great, but the horn isn't working. So it's either going to be a new horn relay, which I have here, and I'm going to put that in, and with any luck it's going to work. Or if not, I'm going to have to open up the horn mechanisms in the steering wheel and do some troubleshooting. Not my first time doing that on C3 Corvette, so we'll see how it goes. So let's jump into this video, and keeping my fingers crossed that everything goes really well. So wish me luck. So let's dive into it. So I'm out here in the Corvette, and this is the issue down with the steering wheel. Everything mechanically works, but no horn. So that's what I'm going to check into. So that's where I am with the Corvette here. Got to fix that so that it works. I think that's about the only thing about this car that isn't working at this point, but it's all part of the ownership of these things, is minor repairs. So let's see how it goes. The first thing that I'm going to do is replace that relay that I showed you, and then if that doesn't work, then I'm going to start taking this thing apart and see how it goes. So here's the bag with the relay, horn replacement relay, 1974 to 1989, so it should work. And way down here, so way down here on the left side and up is where you're going to find the relay, and maybe a few other things, you never know. So I'm going to get down there and check it out, and I'm also going to check out the fuses as well. So the brake pedal is right here, and then up here is what I'm thinking is the fuse for the horn, or the relay for the horn, and way up in the back somewhere is the fuse panel. So I'm gonna look up there to see if there's a fuse for the horn and take it from there. So I'm gonna try and get this thing out if possible. All right, got that one out. It looks the same as my other horn relay, but we'll grab the new one and see if we can't put that in and see if it works. This is kind of a roadside repair, I guess. I'm going to think that it's not going to make a difference, and it's going to be another issue. I've been down this road before, but I might be wrong. This relay costs close to $50, you guys, just so you know. There we go. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. There they are. This one is a little bit fancier with the schematic diagram and numbers on it. This one is the same, but without the cover, so let's hope it works. Time to put it in. So it goes in this thing here. Oops, don't know what that light bulb's for, but we'll fix that. We'll find out where it goes. So we're looking at getting this thing in there, and hopefully that'll work. It wasn't too bad. So the new flasher is in here, and let's try out the horn and see if it works. Okay, let's get it started and test out the horn. The moment of truth. What do you guys think? It's gonna work or not work? So take a guess, leave it in the comments before and see if you're right. So now's the time to take a guess. And I'm gonna press it in a second. I'm gonna say no, but you never know. Here we go. Oh my goodness. I'm so lucky. Like, that is amazing. So here we are. It works. Shortest video ever. So in case you guys were wondering, you can easily pull these tops off as well. And now let me just see if the horn works when I turn the car off. I don't know. That's interesting. So it continues to work. The next issue is hopefully when I turn the steering wheel all the way one way and the other, it doesn't short circuit this and make the horn go off. So let's give that a try. All right, full left. Nothing, which is good. And that's good as well. So pretty good. Everything's working. So that was super lucky that the horn button actually works. I'll just give it another tap. And problem solved. So I've had this car for a year, and albeit I haven't driven it much, it's been more or less keeping it pristine, but the horn didn't work, and I kind of suspected that, number one, I'll try the relay first. There are no fuses that are directly linked to the horn, so that's nice to know. The other part is changing all the interior of the horn button mechanism. I've done that before on the red Corvette. If you haven't seen that, go check that video out, and it shows you how to put that together. I think I could make a better video than that one, to be honest, but that was one of my first videos that I did on YouTube. And it's still quite popular, so I may do a remake of that one. But anyway, so happy, like seriously happy that the horn is working. So now I'm gonna take off and head home and put this baby in the garage. If I can think of another thing to do on this video before I close it out, I will. If not, super short video. At least you saw where the horn relay is, where it's located. It's down close to the fuse box on the left side up by the firewall, and it's almost an inch by an inch cube. It's got 3 prongs on it like you saw. Like this. So about an inch long, maybe 3/4 of an inch wide, and it has these tiny little prongs on it, and they go for about $45 or $50. I got mine from a place called Corvette Depot. You can get them there. You can get them from Corvette Central or Eckler's or any place like that. All similar price. I just happened to get mine from Corvette Depot with shipping and stuff like that. I think it was $50, but it's a safety thing, and I'm so glad that it works. Also, if you don't know, the Corvettes have 2 horns on them. They have one horn which is kind of upper on the up near the radiator, and the other one is down below, kind of the bottom area of the radiator. So collectively, you've got 2 horns that help make that noise. So hopefully you learned something there if you didn't know. It's got a nice peppy sound. So you guys heard the horn work first on this Corvette. First time I've ever heard the horn on this Corvette. So I'm glad I got to share that with you guys. Thanks for sticking around and watching the quick video. I appreciate all the support and interest that you guys have out here. Stick around for the next video. I'm back on the red Corvette installing the front brake lines on that, and then I'm going to start putting all the pulleys and getting the radiator installed, and then get that thing started and get it back out on the road soon. So stick around for that, and we'll see you back here at Motorcycology next time. And of course, with all these things, it's time to go to the gas station. Because why? I'm pretty much on empty, like always. Perfect. Oop. Watch these guys here.